Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are vintage sticker bundle by GFX. This is available on my website. You can freely download it from here, and these are files you need to extract it, and you will get two folders. This is for macOS system, for Apple operating system, and here this is for Windows. So here these are the PNG formats. These are different stickers. New $5 level deposit and others. These are 227, and here these are blanks. You can edit them. You can write your own text over here. These are also in PNG format, you can see. And here these are scratcher, again blank, and you can write your own text, photo or anything over here according to your project creativity. And here these are blanks. So you can download it easily just by clicking this button and just as click on this and download anyway, and it's going to start download just like that. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like this video. Take care.